In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the boat effect on TikTok using the CapCut template. This fun and creative effect has been trending lately, and with just a few simple steps, you can transform your photos or videos into a unique, eye-catching clip that's perfect for sharing. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your travel memories, make your friends laugh, or hop on the latest TikTok trend, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know. And if you haven't already set up a CapCut account, you can find the link to get started in the description below. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to access CapCut. You can launch it directly from your browser or from your desktop app, whichever you prefer. CapCut's PC web version is a fantastic tool for accessing templates and all the creative editing features you'll need. Once you've opened CapCut, head over to the Templates section. You can find this on the sidebar or right on the home screen. This is the hub for all the amazing effects and templates available, so it's where we'll start creating the boat effect. Now, to find the specific template we need, use the search bar, type in boat or boat meme to locate the relevant templates. If nothing shows up at first, don't worry. Try adjusting your search term slightly, or refresh the page as it may take a moment to load the results. Once the options appear, take a moment to browse through and preview the available boat effect templates. You'll notice there are often multiple versions to choose from, so pick the one that best matches your style or the mood you're going for. Once you've decided on the template you like, click on it and then select the Use Template button. This will get you started on customizing it with your own media. Next up, it's time to personalize the template. Start by clicking the Replace button on each placeholder within the template. This is where you'll upload your own photos or videos to swap out the default ones. Choose media from your computer that you'd like to feature. This could be travel photos, funny memes, or even clips of your friends. Personalizing the template like this makes the final video uniquely yours. And here's a quick note. If you're aiming for a more creative or humorous result, consider using content that fits the vibe of the boat effect. Once you've replaced all the placeholders with your own media, preview the updated template to see how it looks. This step is important to make sure everything blends well with the effect. When you're happy with the preview, click Next or Done to finalize the template. At this stage, CapCut will automatically apply the boat effect to all your media. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always go back to make tweaks, whether it's adjusting the placement of your media or swapping out specific clips. Sometimes a little fine-tuning is all it takes to get everything just right. Now that your template is set, you can move on to the final editing stage. This is where you can go beyond the basic customization and really make the video your own. You might want to edit text overlays, adjust the length of certain clips, or even add additional effects to match the overall vibe you're going for. These extra touches can make a big difference in how polished and engaging your final video looks. Once everything is exactly how you want it, it's time to save your masterpiece. Click Export in the top right corner, and CapCut will save the completed video directly to your computer. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Head over to TikTok and upload the video just like you would with any other clip. The boat effect video is sure to grab attention and impress your audience with its creative and dynamic look. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a fun and personalized boat effect video using CapCut's TikTok template. If you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.